What is up, everyone? This is Jeff for Game Day Legends coming at you with some Optic Blasters from Walmart. We got 4 of them. May the 4th be with you. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday. I'm going to get these open. I'll be right back. All right, we are back. We got all the blasters open. We got 4 stacks. Let's go downtown, uptown hunting. Let's get into it. Hope everybody's having a great day. I was debating on doing a Star Wars Hobby Box Day or this, and I promised y'all some optics, so here we are. All right, let's get this out of the way. First purple shock is JC Latham. All right, let's go. We got Isaac, Adisa Isaac. Hopefully we can get a uptown or a downtown today. Very fortunate to find another restock in my town. Hit it before the scalpers got there. Tyler Higbee, Theo Johnson, and Jordan Travis. All right, here we go. All right, we got Jerome Ford, Joey Bosa, and we got Kamani Vidal on the hollow. Nice. Ricky Pearsall. All right, let's get this blaster up and running. Come on, let's get something good. Zay Jones, Isaiah Spiller, Jalen Wright, and Jamari Thrash. There you go. First blaster is making us work for it today. Patrick Sutton, Surtain II. Jacoby Myers, play action of Brian Thomas Jr. Nice. And Will Shipley. Put that Brian Thomas Jr. up there. Definitely an awesome wide receiver. One of my favorites. This one feels a little thick. Nope. No memorabilia hit. James Cook. Terry McLaurin. Jamar Chase on the hollow, and Johnny Wilson. All right, there you go. Second blaster. Let's get into it. This one definitely has a mem in it. Pull from the back. Roma Dunze. Nice. Put that up there. Purple shock is Chop Robinson. Nice. And we have a first year fresh of JTS. Jordan Travis. Okay, we'll take that. Put him up there. It was like getting a little mem hit. And Trevor Lawrence. All right, let's keep it moving. 5 more packs to go. Jerome Ford, Isaiah Spiller, Jared Verse, and Jatavion Sanders. All right, here we go. Zay Jones, Jacoby Myers, Will Levis, and Adisa Isaac again. All right. No rookie quarterbacks yet. Here we go. Another purple shot. Patrick Surtain, Terry McLaurin, Xavier Legette, and Jordan Travis. Getting some dupes, of course. Here we go. James Cook, AJ Spears. There you go. Jaden Daniels on the passing grade. And Ricky Pearsall. That's very nice. We'll take that, put them up there. Last pack of the second blaster. Here we go. Mike Evans, Keon Coleman on the Raider rookie hollow, and then Jamari Thrash. All right, there you go. Let's get this pile out of the way. Keep those right there. Let's get into our third blaster. Let's get something good. Come on. Bowman baseball out this week. Super excited about that. CJ Stroud, Brian Young, and our purple shock is Tyrone Tracy Jr. And then we got a cowgirl. Boom, 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 boom. All right, there you go. All right, here we go. Kyrene Williams, Javon Baker on the hollow, and Dylan Lobb for our Raider rookie. Only one Jaden Daniels so far. Josh Palmer, Byron Murphy II, and Rook Athoro. Sure I said that wrong. Alright, this one feels a little thick. Could be wrong. We got a play action and Max Crosby, and then we have a Javon Baker. Two more to go in the third blaster. This has been super fun. Always love opening up Optic. Austin Eckler, Romeo Dobbs, and Adonai Mitchell. All right, last pack of the third blaster. Can we get something big? Come on. Jamar Gibbs, Treylon Burks, and then we got Marshawn Nealon for your Cowgirls, and Kamari Lassiter for your Raider rookie. All right, keep it moving. One more blaster to go. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by. These have been some tough blasters, but super fun nonetheless. Nick Chubb, Tyler Higbee, Javon Baker, and Will Reichard. Looks like we got a mem card in here. No, felt like it. All right, Joey Bosa, Jerome Ford, and Joe Milton for your Cowgirls. Here we go. Zach Allen, Isaiah Spiller, Adonai Mitchell, and Brendan Rice. We are hitting so many dupes. Josh Allen, let's go. Jacoby Myers, another play action. That is going to be Bo Nix, nice. Then we got Malachi Corley, of course. Always has to show his face. Two more packs. Two more opportunities. Let's see what we got here. Terry McLaurin and Josh Palmer. Devin Leary. All right. Last pack. Let's wish you some luck. This is a mem card. I feel it. It is. Pull from the back. Jermaine Burton. Purple shock of Kamari Lassiter. And our Bo Nix, baby. Let's go. All right, there you go. We'll take that. Rookie Phenom. Boom, baby. And there you go. And there you go. So there you go. Optic football. Pretty disappointing in the duplicates, but you know what? That's all right. We got a lot of cool hits. We got one Jaden Daniel, two Bo Nix. Other than that, we got a lot of cool rated rookies. You guys have a great Sunday. May the 4th be with you. We'll see you this week with Bowman Baseball. Peace.